On the inside seams of both the sleeve and the body, which is indicated here in red. So these red lines I have here drawn on my image, okay? So you're going to use your ruler or your measuring tape once again, and you're going to measure 7 centimeters down from the top edge. And you're not going to cut anything yet. All you're going to do is put a pin, or maybe if you have a pencil or some chalk, you can mark it with that. So you just want to make a mark 7 centimeters down from the top, okay? So let me show you my one. So hopefully you can see this. So here is the top of my top, okay? This section here. So I'm going to take my measuring tape and my pins, and I'm going to measure 7 centimeters down. Okay, so that's 7. And I'm just going to take a pin and put it through like that, just as a marker, okay? So I have my marker here. And then you're going to do the same on the side of the body, okay? So measure down 7 centimeters and then put a pin there.